All right, this is my new Delkevic X-Oval 13.5-inch slip-on muffler for the 800 DE. Going to replace the stock muffler that I've had for 2 years. This is everything that comes with it. All right, it's packaged up real nice. Came in a box with the styrofoam, bunch of stickers, the brackets. There's really no instructions, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. But if you look at this muffler and look at the welds, good clean welds, stainless steel's in real good shape, rivets, the stamping, a decal, I think that's metal. On the back side there. And you can take out the baffle. It's a good looking muffler. So it comes with sealant. I'm going to put that here, maybe a little bit around there. There's some popping going on there, and I think what it is a vent hose that comes from underneath the tank. I had the tank off not too long ago, and I noticed when I took it off that time, that hose was off. There's no clamp to it. So I snugged it back up on there, didn't attach a clamp. I think that thing has come off again, and that's why the popping's happening. But we'll see. I got to do the valve clearance check at 15,000 miles. Right now I'm at 13 and some change. So that's going to happen pretty soon. And I bet when I take that tank off, that vent hose is going to be off again. So, but I'm happy with this Delkevic. I looked at a lot of different exhausts, and compared to Akrapovic and Yoshi, this was a lot more reasonably priced. I didn't want to spend a ton on it. I just wanted something, one, that was smaller so I didn't burn my bags, which I did on the factory pipe, and two, just a little bit better sound, and this had it. So I'm happy with it. And I'll tell you this, Delkevic customer service is top notch. They answered every question that I had. I called him earlier today, They are super. They're really good at what they do, and I think that's a good looking exhaust, and I think it's made really well, and I would 100% recommend it. So, all right, man, ride safe.